Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to make an easy recipe. I'm going to show you how to make a white sauce pizza, which makes a fast delicious lunch or dinner. And also I'm going to show you how to keep the pizza dough on the fridge for several days, maximum 4 days. First thing, we will make the pizza dough. We will need 400 grams white flour, 100 grams of fine semolina. You can use instead corn flour or wheat flour. Then add 2 grams of sugar, 4 grams of bread yeast. For the salt and the oil, we will leave them aside. Now we will add 1/4 liter of water. We combine those ingredients together, then we add 15 grams of salt and 20 grams olive oil. We mix until we make a dough ball and leave it rest for 30 minutes. After that, we divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. You can place it in a tray or in a plastic food containers and cover it with a cling film. Leave it on the fridge until the next day. Then you can make your pizza. I usually double the ingredients to have more dough balls, as you see. I put them on a plastic food container and keep them on the fridge, and every day I took 1 or 2 or even 3 bowls, depends on the number of the family members. You can keep them on the fridge at maximum 4 days. For the filling, we will need olive oil, a garlic clove. As you know, the filling is optional. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen. For me, I used seafood. I have shrimp and squid. I add salt and pepper and cook them for almost 2 until 3 minutes. Now I remove only the seafood and add a tablespoon of butter to the oil. After it melts, I add a tablespoon of flour, 1/4 liter of milk, Now we have the white sauce. We cover it and leave it aside. We take the pizza dough that we made the day before. It's better to leave it on the fridge for almost 24 hours. The longer it rests, the longer you have a better result. Sprinkle some semolina flour so the dough won't stick. Take a dough ball and try to flatten only the middle and let the edges a little bit high. I place it into a parchment paper after sprinkling some semolina. In meantime, I preheat the oven to 240 degrees up and down. I start filling the pizza. You can add any kind of cheese you have after the white sauce. As you see, I used 2 kinds of cheese. And finally, add the seafood. You can add black olive if you want, oregano, and olive oil on top of your pizza. The time that your pizza spent on the oven is really important. It doesn't need to spend more than 6 minutes. You must be sure that the oven is preheated before you place the pizza inside. If you don't want to use the white sauce, you can use tomato sauce. It's your choice. Last thing, if you wanna cook your pizza on the same day where you make the dough, you need to add more bread yeast. We used 4 grams because we wanted to keep it several days on the fridge. But if you want to cook it at the same day, use 15 grams of bread yeast. This was our recipe for today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. You can also send me which video you want me to translate next from my Arabic channel, Hasna Ramili. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon on my next videos. Bye!